Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to reset DVR password, which is Guardian Vision. During the initial device setup, check the reserved email settings option. A screen will appear, enter your email address and a valid one where you can receive password reset codes. On the NVR login screen, click Forgot Password. On the next screen, choose Verify by Reserved Email and click OK. A screen with a QR code will appear. On your phone, open the Guardian Vision app, navigate to More, then reset device password. Use your app to scan QR code from the NVR screen. Then check your email for the verification code. Enter it into the provided field and then click OK. Now your password reset should be complete. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.